Hey everyone, back for another video, and guess who I have today? Yes, I have one of the new Odile Barbie Mermaid dolls. I'm super excited. My sister took my sister took me out. She drove us around town, and then we went to Walmart and I bought lunch for both of us, and then she bought me this doll. So I thought that was really sweet of her. So, and they had so many of her. I really want this one. Because if anyone's ever seen the Skipper doll from the Rio de Janeiro line from 2002, this looks like her but turned into a mermaid, and I want her so bad. But this is the only one they had, so I'm glad that I was able to, and they had so many of her. So they had like tons and tons and tons of her. Like, they didn't have any of the other ones. Like, they of course didn't have her, and they didn't have any of these, which I kind of like the Millie, actually, the green and the blue. For some reason I actually kind of like her with the middle part, so might be getting her as well. This one I'm not really a fan of the red, so I don't know if I'll be getting her or not. Here, let me... Yeah. I was going to try to turn my flash on, but I can't. So we'll just have to settle with this kind of crappy lighting for right now. But yeah, I went through a bunch of different ones, and I got the one with the smallest lips. Now, I know this is like a trend nowadays, the lip fade. So it's like darker inside and fades out, but not exactly a fan of it. I would have much preferred her to have like her lips one color and then them to do like shimmer over them. That would have been way prettier. But I think I got one with good eyes though. Like, you can literally see all the like little details in her eyes and stuff. So, and all the other ones, their eyes looked very faded and smudgy looking. So this was the one with the best eyes, and I liked the smaller lips on her. So yes, I'm going to be getting her out. And for those of you who don't know how to get these out, you literally just go from the bottom and open them up. But yeah, here's the box art. I really like this new box art style. Definitely. See, I like this doll. It's just I don't like the red. I don't think it goes with anything. I like her, but I just don't like the mermaid body being red. I don't know. This one I'm probably gonna get nail polish and paint glitter on this, and then paint some glitter on this as well to add some shimmer and sparkle, because I feel like that's what they could definitely use, is some sparkle. So that's probably what I will wind up doing with her and any of the other ones that I get. So yeah, that's how you open them up. As you go from down here, there's an opening. You literally just pop this open. The side opens up. And then the doll should slip right out. Yes. See, I want to be able to, I hate how they have like this stuck there, because I wish I could like cut the pictures out and stuff, but I can't because these stupid plastic things are in the way of the picture. Absolutely hate that. But see, I love how the fin, oh, I didn't even look, it's glittery and it's like flexible. See, this is how I remember the Mermaid Fantasy Barbies. Like, if you see Mermaid Fantasy Barbies, like, you'll see the fin displayed at the bottom. and you'll have to do the exact same thing. You'll have to like put it on separately. The fin isn't already attached. And look, there's a free hair elastic. So we have a free hair elastic there, which I've been needing some hair elastics anyway, so I will definitely be putting those to use. And these, like, yeah, you can buy these hair elastics at like the dollar store, but they don't last as long as these that come on dolls. And I don't cut the rubber band off. What you do is you put your fingers through the back of the hair like this, and you pull up, and bam, it releases the hair. And so I will be using this hair elastic, or maybe it's two, I don't know. Yeah, it's got a nice Barbie logo. Definitely gives me Fairytopia vibes, for sure. Not a fan of the headband all that much. It kind of looks like cat ears, but it doesn't go with anything. I can see that's a seashell, but I'm more than likely gonna remove that and put a different crown on her. So I think maybe the fin goes on this way with that side. If it doesn't go on that way, then, well, it's too late. It's already done, so. Here, let me... Okay, so this is her out of the box, and I got her fin on. I tried to, like, turn it around to this side, because, like, you can see how it's painted right here. I think it would have looked way cooler flipped around, and not only that, the fin goes forward, like it flips that way. So I thought it would look better turned around, and it has a really cool effect when you can see the paint through the back like that, but it doesn't want to go that way, so oh well, I guess I'll have to have it on this side. But yeah, that's the fin. And yeah, I did take the crown off. It was held on with these stupid little plastic T-tabs, as people call them. And she did have two elastics, so I will definitely be saving those. There's the headband thing. Not very exciting, in my opinion, but there it is. Shells and pearls on it, but yeah, I don't like the cat ear effect sort of thing that it just doesn't go with anything. Like maybe if she had like a catfish theme, like if she had like catfish on her, printed on her bodice or something like that, then that would go with it, but there's nothing like that on there. I actually really like the bodice though, like the top. And it's pearlescent. Wow, and I think this is actually a separate piece. You can't take it off, but it is a separate piece. It's not just painted on. So yeah, this is actually a separate piece that they like glued on over the body. My least favorite part is the like mermaid body portion, because there's like, I don't think there's any shimmer at all, so I definitely want to like put some glitter over it to make it sparkle. But yeah, she can sit down fairly nicely. And of course the arms go out. I have to put her hands in some boiling water and like pose them out like that, because I'm not a fan of the hands just going straight down like that. It's just kind of, I want them to look more graceful, so I will definitely be doing that. And how you do that is you put them in the hands in hot water up to like this point for like 10 seconds or so, or maybe 20 seconds, and then you turn on the cold tap water. And while you're rinsing in the cold tap water, you have the hands positioned to your liking. So that's what I'm more than likely going to do with her. This is what the hair is looking like right now. I will have to go throughout, yeah, and do some trimming because, oh, and there's like hair coming out. Yikes. But I think it's like hair that didn't get properly, like it wasn't actually rooted in. Let me check her rooting. It is a bit sparse. Wait a minute. Okay, see, there for a second I was looking back here, and I thought hair plugs were overlapping one another. And I was like, did they root her hair the traditional way, or is it done completely by machine? But no, it's done by machine. You can tell when a doll is rooted, like a Mattel doll, because you can see it starting to go in these like circular motions. So yeah. But yeah, I'm gonna have to wash, shampoo and conditioner hair, probably boil wash, and do some trimming, because there's all these stragglers everywhere, so. But that's not a problem. All you do is you separate out her hair in little sections, like this. This is basically how they do a layered haircut. So you will pull the hair out from the scalp, like so, like straight out, and you'll find your guide, which is right here, which is where the hair is the thickest. And it's literally rounded. So yeah, you can see it's rounded. So you'll literally cut off all these like extra bits that are sticking out. And you'll just go throughout her head. Then you'll like pull this section down like this. And then you'll do some more trimming if needed. And you'll do that all the way around her head. And then you'll separate out the back of the hairline, so you'll go from the ear to ear, separate that out, pull it down, and trim off any stragglers that you see. And that's how you do that. So yeah, that's basically how you can trim away the stragglers if you have any. But there is her face. See, the UV printing makes it look like there's like glitter or shimmer. So I do kind of like that. It looks like highlighter. But yeah, that is her screening. She has blue. It looks like she has like purple eyeliner on the bottom, and then there's some blue eyeshadow on the bottom. Very thick eyeliner. And like some pinkish eyeshadow up here. Her eyes are like a burgundy, I think. The lips are like a berry color and they're faded outward. Very pretty shape. This is the closed mouth Odile face mold. She has very sweet eyebrows. They're not like super like arched. They're just curved very nicely. And she is on the standard Barbie body. She's not on a petite style body. As far as I know, there's only one diverse body out of all these. Yeah, and it's the curvy one. So there's no tall mermaids or petite mermaids. There's just regular mermaids with one curvy. So yeah, that is her, and she has multiple different like tones in her hair. Like there's two different, there's like lilac and lavender in there, and then you have the pink. But yeah, the rooting is not the greatest. I'll probably have to wind up popping some more hair plugs into her scalp. So yeah, that's that. But yeah, that's, at least mine is not that well rooted. Here. let me... So when you twist the hair, it is rather thick. But that's probably because they rooted the plugs in really thick. And so... But yeah, mine's just not rooted the best. I don't know how to tell which one would be rooted better because the headband kind of gets in the way. But if that does happen, if you do get one with sparse rooting, you could always just purchase more hair and pop some extra plugs in there. Yep. These are like $10, almost $11 at Walmart. That's where I got mine, was at Walmart. Yeah. But if you are a major fan of Odile, then I highly recommend getting these. There's people going around like the doll community saying that Odile could possibly replace, or that's what a lot of people want, is Odile to replace Millie, and 100% I agree. I want the Odile face molds to become Barbie, and I want the Millie sculpt to retire, because she's been around too long, and we need something fresh, we need something new, and I think Odile could definitely provide us with that fresh revive that Barbie needs. So yes. But anyhow, that's my little review over her. Thank you guys for watching. More videos to come, and remember to stay true to you.